Good morning, grade 7 Gardenians. In this lesson is about homeroom guidance for grade 7, second quarter, module 5. The topic is about my road to success. At the end of this module, you are expected to share to others the relevant lessons that you have learned from school and from community. Then explain how others affect or influence your knowledge and skills and appreciate the importance of lessons learned from school and from community. Okay, so let's start. My road to success. Can you imagine how hard it is to climb up a coconut tree, especially if it is your first time and you are the first person to climb it? It will probably amaze you to see how farmers take their easy way up to those tall trees. The first climb is the hardest because the person who climbs first marks and cuts slits on the bark of the tree that will serve as footstop for the next person who will climb it. This is similar to your experience as a learner. Your family, the school, and the community can help you in determining the path that will lead you to success. In this module, you will learn how other people in your lives and in the community can influence you. So let's try this. Suggested time allotment is 15 minutes. Okay, so first, you need to copy the lesson statement box on a clean sheet of paper. Pwedeng coupon bond. Then, write your response under column A. Under column A, that is personal response. Then, ask your family member to complete column B, that is your family member's response. And then, answer the processing questions after. So the processing questions is that how do you compare both your responses? Then number 2, how can you apply the mentioned lessons in this pandemic? Number 3, is it really important to use the lessons you learned in a real life situation and why? In the lesson statement box, the first is what is your, my favorite subject is, you need to response in column A, and then column B, your family members, and then the second is the relevant, important lessons that I learned from the subject are. Next, this lesson is relevant because, given a chance, I will share this lesson too. Ayan, kopyahin niyo muna yan. memorization, or taking up multiple courses, academic success is a good mix of learning the lesson and at the same time making sense of what you have learned. How will you know if you are learning and if you will be able to achieve academic success? So here are some important points that you can take note about learning. The first letter is L. List down important information. So more than the required notes as part of the academic requirement, it is important that you utilize note-taking as an important skill in studying and learning. This will help you in keeping a record and in the retrieval of information that you might need in the future. Okay, don't forget to list down the important information. That is the first letter L of the learning. The second letter of the learning is letter E. E, engage in learning activities. This may not always happen in school or as initiated by your subject teachers. Learning activities may be any learning opportunity that you may experience at home, in school, or in your community. The next one, letter A, ask relevant questions. So asking questions or inquiry is part of the learning process. Okay, so do not hesitate to ask questions in order for you to have a better understanding about something that interests you or about things that may not be clear for you. Through asking questions, it will be easier for you to make sensible judgment and eventually make better decisions. Next is letter R. Read, read, read. Reading is an important skill that you will use profoundly in your daily life. Make it a habit to allot an hour or two for reading. Reading will help you gain better understanding about many things. Next is letter N. Nurture your interest. Be with people who support your plans and interests and participating in relevant activities. So the people around you can share information, skills, and talents that will better engage you. The next is I, letter I, initiate action. In learning something new, it is important to act on it. So you should not wait for others to push you to learn new things. You may ask the help from your older siblings or other family members. Then asking questions is an initial action toward learning. So that is the best time to acquire new skills and to enjoy the huge information available in books. Next, letter N. Navigate your direction. Along with initiating action, it is important that you navigate or plan how you want to proceed. Okay, so take time to make a plan of action and look at possibilities on how you can apply what you have learned in your daily life experience. And then the last letter D. Get things done. Finishing what you started is a way to maximize learning. At this point, you may have a lot of interest and you are eager to learn. However, it is important that when you start something, you also need to finish it. Okay, you need to set a timetable will be helpful. Or setting a timetable will be helpful. And now you can do it. Suggested time allotment is 5 minutes. Choose learning. Choose one from L, E, A, R, N, I, N, and G. So write down 3 ways on how you are going to apply this in this new normal. An example has been provided to guide you. Example letter R. R, that is read, read, read. So the first sentence, I will choose the books that I want to read recommended by my siblings and family members. Ayan. So number 2, I will set the time in a day for reading every 4 p.m. when I am done with my homework. And number 3, I will make sure that I finish the book before the exams week. So, ayan ba yung example? Pumili ka ng letter doon sa learning. Band, write 3 important lessons or learned from school and community that you will always remember.